Are you looking to up your Pinterest game? In this video, I'm going to talk about the best Pinterest course of 2019. And trust me, I've taken a bunch of courses. So stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Shweta, and in this video I want to talk to you all about Pinterest and Pinterest courses. So I've been a very irregular blogger, blogging on and off, but 6 months back I decided to really focus on my blog. And when I decided to focus on my blog, the first traffic source that comes to mind is Pinterest, because everyone's getting so much traffic through Pinterest, and I thought I could do the same, right? So I'm in the online marketing niche, and people say that it's kind of a little difficult to get traffic from Pinterest. Of course, if you're a food blogger or if you're in the health and fitness niche, it's much easier. But I know of competitors and colleagues who are getting tons of traffic through Pinterest, so I knew that I had to give it a shot. So I kept taking courses on courses. I've taken probably at least 5 to 6 courses, and I've downloaded ebooks just so I could up my Pinterest game, but I just couldn't see the results. Then I came across this course called Pinterest Traffic SEO Secrets by Anastasia, and I'm sharing the link to her course below because it is amazing and I highly recommend it. So first, I decided not to buy it because I've already bought so many Pinterest courses and I wasn't seeing any results. But I thought maybe, give it one more try. So I went for her advanced package, which includes a one-on-one coaching call, a Pinterest account audit, and also email and Facebook chat support. So when I started the course, it was amazing. I went through the course, I started implementing and making changes to my account, and I saw some growth, but not as much as I hoped. So then I reached out to her, and she willingly did my Pinterest account audit, and she actually sent me a 60-minute video doing a complete audit and giving me so many new things that I could implement to my Pinterest account, so many strategies that I hadn't heard of before. And even her course is full of strategies that you will probably not find in any other courses. So her account audit was truly amazing. Like, it was genius. So I went back to my account and started making changes. But around this time, I was moving across countries. So I was moving back to the US from Canada, and I did not have the time to focus on my account. So I actually outsourced my Pinterest management to a random agency, and they really they messed up my account. Like, I was back to zero. So when I went back to my Pinterest account and I had the time, I actually reached out to Anastasia again and told her, that I have really messed up my account. And I also asked her if we could get on a one-on-one call, which was included in the advanced package. And we got on a call, and she was amazing. She's an amazing teacher. You will find that in her course. But even on the one-on-one call, she was so supportive. And apart from my Pinterest account, she also helped me with coming up with ideas as to what would drive traffic from Pinterest. So there are 3 things that I really like about her course. One is her personal attention to detail and the way she teaches. It's just amazing. The second thing is the support that she's providing inside the Facebook group, on email, and also over chat. That's awesome. I haven't found that in any other course. The other thing is her focus on analytics. I think it's awesome because analytics is really important, and not a lot of people talk about it because you just don't do it every time, right? But it's really important to go back to your Pinterest analytics and really decide what to do or what not to do based on the results that you're getting. And the third thing is her additional strategies that she's sharing that not a lot of other courses are sharing, about keyword research and even visually what kind of pins you should create based on the keyword you're targeting. So I would highly recommend her course, and I'm sharing the link in the comments. Do check it out because I truly believe that it's one of the best courses out there. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me and post it in the comments. Guys, for this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.